Welcome to Kala Bhairava forecasting. Now we are going to look coming week forecast. Last week everybody known whatever I suggested, as per that market is moved. So now let us see coming week. Before that, this month I am going to give my weekly forecast freely from January onwards. If you want, you just go to my YouTube channel Kala Bhairava Gyan. There is a join button is there. Just click the join button. There is a 799 weekly forecast charges are 799. Just select that and join my YouTube subscription. Okay. Now let us go to the coming week. Nifty closed 13,513. Now you look just like last week. This week also MCL at pivot, so it's saying a volatile. So coming week Nifty also we are expecting again a huge volatile. So trading Nifty we should avoid. If you want to trade Nifty, then do limited quantity. That is what my suggestion. Second thing, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty coming week showing a sell strong. Last week it was range bound. This week it's a sell strong. MCL 30,625. It is in buy level. So buy level become a sell level because of MCL. So 30,625 also sell. 30,451 also sell. Both are sell. 30,625, 30,451 both are selling point. 30,730 above only buy. But my suggestion, if it close above 30,713, then you go long. Till that time you will wait. Okay. So coming week Bank Nifty chances are there for selling pressure. It's showing a sell strong. Nifty volatile. Okay. Then crude oil. Crude oil coming week it's showing a range bound. So 3,481 is a sell. 3,365 is a buy. So market should be range between 3,481 to 3,365. Either if it break this zone, we can expect movement on that side. So 3,511 above we can go long, and 3,336 below we can go short. So this is the levels. Just to follow the levels. Levels will bring you profit. Okay. So crude oil international market it's saying a buy strong. So 46.25 is a buy. So you can buy if it is hit 46.25, 46.93 also buy. So my opinion, try to buy if it get 46.25, keep the stop loss 45.91. So market might be every dip is a buy for crude oil. It seems to be like that compared to both international crude and Indian crude. It's saying a Indian crude range bound, but international crude buy strong. So we can consider as a every dip is a buy. Okay. Then we go to gold. Gold you look coming week Indian gold it's showing a volatile. So Indian gold we should avoid the trade. So gold, my suggestion, we should this week coming week we should wait. Okay, that is best in gold. In gold international market showing a sell strong. So you look that Indian gold saying a volatile, but international market showing a sell strong. So there may be chances are there selling pressure, but 1849 is a sell point, 1871 same like last week. Last week you look, it tried to reach that 1871 but unable to close above that level. That is what our level, perfectly it's working. So last week also it tried to reach that level but it came a selling pressure. So that is what is going to happen this week also. So any close above 1871 above we can consider as a long. Till that time every rise we can sell, I am saying only for coming week. This prediction for coming week. My suggestion for a long term or short term to 3 months, 2 months, gold is a buying opportunity. Every dip is a buy. But coming week it having a some volatility. So Indian gold perfectly saying a volatile, international gold saying a sell strong. So every rise is a sell only for coming week. Don't confuse it for long term. Second, coming week I am looking natural gas. Natural gas 197. It's showing this week is a sell strong. 197 is a sell. 183 also sell. 204 above buy. Astrologically I am looking, it may be chances are there to go up. So this week only if it close above 204, take your long position, we may see 225 immediate target. But only thing, it has to close above 204. Till that time don't trade. It is as per Astro I am suggesting this. Okay. Now these are the stocks I suggested for this week. Now you see Nifty, somebody saying when correction will start. See, my opinion, see our market 13,630 to 13,690. This is the range Nifty going to take a resistance. So once if we get that zone, it will start selling pressure. Okay. So coming week there might be chances for hit this level. If it hit or not, keep the stop loss 13,690 above. If it close, exit your short position. Suppose if anybody holding the short, you can exit. Otherwise slowly add your every 50 points one lot you can add. Keep the stop loss 13,690 above on closing basis. So there might be a chances for selling pressure in coming week. Okay. Now as per Astro, coming week what are the important things is there now? From 14th December, so Venus changing its nakshatra. So it's changing its nakshatra, Saturn nakshatra. This will impact on Bank Nifty. First thing. Then 16th December, that is Wednesday, Sun entering into Sagittarius, Ketu Nakshatra. So this is what I suggest. Chances are that natural gas might bring up when Sun enter into Ketu Nakshatra. So astrologically these two events are there. On Friday Mercury also enter into Ketu Nakshatra. So this is also important. So two planets coming week enter into Ketu Nakshatra. This will bring the natural gas upside. So this is my suggestion. But as per level this week 204 above only buy. So keep on the levels 204 above. If it goes, take your long position. It will bring 225 immediate target. Okay, this is the 2 to 3 things only happen in coming week. Second thing, mainly coming Monday, I said confused day, huge pressure rate due to eclipse. Solar eclipse is there. So solar eclipse important we are looking. This solar eclipse might bring the market down. So coming Monday is a pressure date. So Monday market might start its correction. Okay, this is my opinion. but before trade, take your risk as per your risk management. Okay, these are my suggestion. Monday, important day, there is no doubt in that. Monday onwards, I am expecting profit booking. So let it see, it will happen or not, we don't know, but this is my opinion, this is my suggestion. Okay, so trade your risk as per your risk management. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my paid videos. Thank you very much.